forget about all the other benefits.
Yeah.
It's going to be more fun.
Yeah.
You know, like it's going to be a lot more fun to be like, I'm on a mission
Yeah.
for this, to complete this, to do this, right? Then be like, oh, like I gotta go, slog through this again today. Right.
Right.
And life is too short to slog through anything. So either choose a new project or choose a better attitude. And, it's way easier to choose a better attitude than go find a new project or a new role or a new business. Because like you said, a little while ago, you're the common denominator.
Yeah.
Right. So like if all your projects suck, like I hate to tell you, but maybe you suck right now,
yeah.
And if you want to really, kind of set things up for success and feel like you're on fire and have all the people who are working for you on fire, like choose an attitude of winning and ownership and like, be like, you know what? I may not own this company or I may own this company or whatever. Cause this whole apathy thing, this happens even with entrepreneurs who are running their own business too.
Right.
Like anyone who tells you that every entrepreneur who like, once they start their business is just like totally in love with everything they're doing every day is completely full of crap.
Right.
Right. Most of them are like, oh, like, how did I get stuck with this? Well, you chose it.
Yeah.
Right. But if you choose a better way of being and a better attitude and step up into that, like, here's what we're going to accomplish. And I'm going to practice what I preach and I'm going to do what I say I'm going to do. And I'm going to try and find solutions that are like massive wins for everybody. And I listen and take other people's perspectives into account. Like, maybe you're right. Maybe this is a transformational conversation, but that is a game.
Right. It is, James. Like, yeah, it is. It is. I didn't mean to cut you off, but like, that is the way you frame that up. If someone goes to their job and thinks about it, doesn't matter if they're working on a pork sausage factory line, which is extremely exciting. It smells great.
Right.
But
sure it is.
Yeah. They can turn that into their whole game. I think that's great, man. Like,
yeah. Well, there's a story that comes to mind. So this, back in the, kind of the Renaissance, this guy's walking through Florence.
Okay.
And he comes upon this one guy, and this guy's like laying bricks for a project. They're building something.
Yeah.
And he asks the guy, he's like, "Oh, what are you working on right now?" And the guy's like, "Oh, I'm just laying bricks. I kind of put one on top of the other and I, seal them off and do the things that I do." And he's like, "Oh, okay, cool." Guy keeps walking down the street and he comes upon another bricklayer and he says, "Oh, what are you doing?" And this guy stops what he's doing. He looks at the dude and he says, "I'm building a cathedral."
Nice.
Right? The actions that they're doing, exactly the same, right? They're both laying bricks. One guy just sees it as putting one brick on top of the other. The other guy sees himself as building a cathedral. And my challenge to you is build a cathedral. Like, it's a hell of a lot more motivating to build a cathedral than just put bricks on top of each other.